Say that again.
Hiya.
The beauty of Sapa is astonishing, and I'm not even taking the piss. Like, it is just beautiful everywhere you look.
Then we have it from Michael Palin.
It's beautiful with ease.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to trek to the highest viewpoint to get this beauty. Like, it's just there.
Thank God for that.
Yeah.
I don't want to do a 20-kilometre trek. The drone just nearly got attacked whilst Erin was flying it by a group of, are they swallows?
Vicious swallows.
Yeah, they were. Couldn't face just to swallow their pride and just get back in their smelly little nests. Just let us drone.
That's the first time that I've actually ever been like really scared flying the drone. Like, I did think they were going to take it out.
But this is where we are. Blooming hell. Yeah, I think it does it justice, doesn't it?
No, it's absolutely stunning.
You got a little train track down here as well, which you might have seen on the drone shot before the birds decided to have their way with us. But this place here says it's a homestay, and I don't think it is. It looks more like a 5-star resort than a homestay, but...
We're finally getting a tan, guys. It's quite nice.
Yeah, thank you to Halong Bay.
Yeah, not burnt.
7th wonder of the world. Give us a nice tan. 7th natural wonder of the world. There's a lot of wonders of the world.
There are. Anyway, today we've rented motorbikes. 150,000 dong each. We tried to find the waterfall, but it ended up just being like a stream under a bridge. And then we went to Ta Phin village. Couldn't really see much there, although it was nice to just like get out of Sapa. Here he is, Jason's first ever time on a geared bike. Oh. And then we biked up to Viettrekking, which is where the drone got attacked by birds. Just deciding what to do tomorrow, because we only booked accommodation for 2 nights, but we want to stay. Don't know whether to go on a trek, a homestay, a nice little hotel situation.
Yeah, I think sometimes you can go searching for better views and better places, and you spend most of your time walking around, just, don't know, not getting used to where you are. This is the train. 1 carriage goes straight to Ho Chi Minh 12 times a day. Alright, we've got to about, I don't know, halfway where we were supposed to go, and we've seen 2 waterfalls, and we're pretty impressed by this one. Droning in Sapa, yeah. It's quite safe at the minute, we're not being attacked by any birds. Drone, yes! Time to catch it. Successfully caught. It's been quite a nice ride. There's been a lot of loud buses, which have put us off a bit. It's my first time riding a geared bike. Lead the way. It's a bit chaotic now. You've got your little shots of Sapa in the day. There's a lot of shots of Sapa in the day, but is there many videos of Sapa at night? No. We were going to give you a lovely Sapa video in the day. No, thank you. And this is Sapa at night. Would you expect it? Probably not. You've enjoyed our lovely drone shots and everyone else's trekking videos, but you're not going to get that from us. There's loads of these buses though, they're everywhere. There's electric golf cart buses.
I wish I knew how to take one.
I think they just pull over and say, where you going? We're looking for a place for a little beer. Or a big beer.
Big beer to reward ourselves after all biking we did today. Crazy. First time biking in Vietnam for me. And it was a lot more different than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's tough. It was my first. It was my first time on a geared bike. In Crocs, so that wasn't a good idea. It's like bloody Koh Phi Phi or Koh Phangan. Hello. Maybe later.
YouTube vlogger.
Oh, sorry. I thought you said to have some food.
No, we're gonna have to listen to that back. I'm
Yeah.
100% sure he said YouTube vlogger.
I thought you said come and have some food.
Maybe later.
This is where we ate down there yesterday.
I mean, to be fair, there's not much of a view tonight because of the mist is coming.
Yeah, the
all
mist
down.
is
Mist
heavy.
is misting. This is a very nice street of Sapa. And all the golf buggies that I wish I knew how to take, because some of these streets are so steep and slippy. Hey dog. Do you want to go up here?
Yeah.
Or...
Let's go up here.
Yeah?
You know what it's like, yeah.
Okay, we're going to the Sky View restaurant. You're right, gotta watch where I'm going. Whew.
So glad I'm not filming.
Last night there was like beautiful views of all the mountains, and today nothing. Complete whiteout.
Inside or outside?
This is the view tonight, you can't really see anything.
Right, thank you.
Come on.
I never really get it when they give you the bottle opener. I'm not sure what the reason for it is.
Cheers.
Are you glassing it now?
To a good day riding.
Yeah. They say if God had a favourite animal, it would be a beetle, because there's that many types of it.
Be this little guy.
He's got blue on him, hasn't he?
Yeah, and like green. It's actually quite pretty.
Yeah, keep
I
him
like
over
it.
near you then. We are leaving Sapa very soon. We're getting the night train, so it leaves at 9:30 and it gets to Hanoi at 5:30 AM. I think we paid about $12 or it was £12, so about $15. And this is the train here. I don't know if you can see from the scale, there's a huge gap between like the platform and getting on the train. Look, it's massive. I was a bit dubious about it before, and then we got to our cabin and it's actually really nice. It's I think the cheapest one you can buy. There might be one that's cheaper without aircon, I don't know, but I'll give you a little tour right now. Alright, let's not fall over and die. Toilet in there. Nice little sink too. They've tiled it. It's nice actually. They've done stuff they didn't really need to do. I think we're down here. There's Erin. There are private cabins you can get as well, but they're a bit expensive. We looked into one and they're about $100, was it? Or $150 for a private cabin. This one's ours. Erin's up here. I'm down there.
Private so far.
It is private so far. And there's a little space up here, you can put bags. Erin's gonna have the top bunk because she's more agile than me.
Because I didn't get a choice. Look how I've got to get up there.
Yeah, a little foot stand. Got a couple of banh mi's, banh mi. Alright, we're gonna
Oh my gosh.
relax. 3, 2, 1, go. Smashed it.
It's 11 and I'm going to try and go to sleep now. The two other people in our cabin are asleep, so we're going to go join them.
Well, the light seems so close to our eyes. Even like there, I'm trying to look out and it's so bright.
Just woken up. I say just woken up. Haven't really slept, but we're in Hanoi. We made it and we're really excited to be back. Can't really see, but this is Train Street where we went to in one of our videos actually, I think, for a coffee. Morning!
Hello. Hanoi, baby. See ya, Sapa.